Hey Mike here, I've got a quick one today. I want to show you how to skin and bone these chicken thighs. So if you break down your own chicken, you're going to end up with this, like with the skin and bone on. You can buy them skinless and boneless, but it's actually cheaper to buy them like this. And then you end up with some bones and things for your stock. So yeah, it's worth doing it. It's real quick. It doesn't take long at all. So first of all, so just using a small sharp knife. It does need to be like nice and sharp, your knife for this. And then as with any meat and fish, just working in like long strokes. You know, you don't want to be hacking away at it. You just make it as neat as you can. Okay, so first of all, you find the bone in the back there, so you can see there's the knuckle of it. And essentially, all I want to do is just nicking away down the side of the bone there, like that, and sort of just expose it all the way along. You see how it's just sort of coming away there. And then once you've got a bit exposed and you can get your knife underneath, just put your knife under and then just whip it up underneath the knuckle there. Cut through. So then just down, just make sure it's all off. So then you can sort of stand the bone up. So that's the bone out of that side, and then we just need to get the other end out. So for that, just give it a bit of a pull. It's all going to start coming away. And then when you can see that knuckle there through, just give it a couple of little nicks. And there you go. So, and then, like I say, these are great for your stock. So just get a tub in the freezer, chuck stuff in as you go, and then when you're when you've got a bit, when you want to stock, you can grab it out and boil them up. So that's that. So it's not. I quite like it with the skin on. I like a crispy chicken skin. So if you want to pan fry that now, it's beautiful. It's all sort of it's nice and flat. It's going to cook nicely. To take the skin off, it's really easy. Just find a bit where it's coming away, like a corner, and just sort of come underneath the meat. You can see there's like now I've made that nick. You can see it's just pulling away now. It'll just pull off as soon as you've got that end off, and then just sort of nick it away. You can see it's just nice and easy. Once you feel a bit of resistance, just use your knife again. Just like a couple of little strokes. Take your time with it. You want it. You don't want to waste a load of chicken for doing it. But there you go. So that's the skin off nicely, and then you've got your thigh there, skinless and boneless. Okay, so sometimes like I just see there, it's a little bit of cartilage, so you can just sort of trim that out. Again, into your stock pot. Bit of skin on the end there, so just take that off. And there you go. That's the thigh meat, and then the bits from it for your stock. So I'll show you again. You can take the skin off first. Sometimes it can be a little bit easier if the bone's in. So if you want to, again, I'm just sort of just pulling that away there. And as soon as you get the resistance on the edges, and then again, a couple of strokes, pull, couple of strokes. Okay, and then that's the skin from that one. And you've got your bone in. So again, find the bone, just work along it, just exposing it. Nice, confident strokes of the knife, just to keep it like your meat nice and neat. There you go. Got the bone exposed, so again, underneath, out. Just what I want to do it quite neatly, so you take your time and you don't want to be left with all your meat on the bone. So just if it's not coming away straight away, just sort of stop and go back in with your knife. So you can see there again, bone's nicely exposed. Just going to stroke away, pull that. You see the knuckles come through there nicely, around, bones off. And there's your thigh. Okay, and then that's for your stock and a couple of thighs. Hope that helps. If you've got any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll see you next time.